For us at Lauritz Knudsen, innovation means more than just moving forward. Every breakthrough, every advancement is driven by a commitment to people. It's driven by what we can do for you. Over the past 70 years, we've gone from making motor starters that revolutionize the Indian agriculture sector to partnering leading industrial and infrastructure giants. Now, we are ready to power the digital economy. Our foresight and expertise makes us do what we do best. Listen to understand you and your business needs. Partner to build relationships that stand the test of time. Innovate to make the best of technology available to you quickly and across scale. It's this unique combination that's helped us pioneer innovative solutions like SmartCom, our IoT-led open architecture that works with you to design, build, commission, operate, predict, and maintain your electrical infrastructure in a way that works for you. It's also what has taken our products to 30+ countries across the world. And we are just getting started. At our state-of-the-art facilities across India, innovation and purpose meet on a massive scale. That's how we make the incredible accessible to you. To meet the immense demand we serve, our facilities operate seamlessly and relentlessly to maximize production, all with zero compromise on quality. Every product is rigorously tested by a team of experienced R&D engineers to meet the highest standards before it reaches you. And our dedication to our craft has earned us global recognition at the highest levels. But while we're innovating for you, we're also innovating for the planet. From solar energy solutions to zero-discharge factories, we prove that sustainability and technology can go hand in hand. In fact, 1/3 of the energy requirements at all our manufacturing hubs is met by solar power. And we're pushing that number higher every day. This is who we are. For over 70 years, we've powered India from small businesses to the largest office building of the world. We've driven cutting-edge renewable energy solutions and established ourselves across multiple sectors. But it's never been just about powering the ecosystem for us. It's about empowering you with technology that doesn't just work, but works for you. L&T Switchgear business now has a new name: Lauritz Knudsen Electrical and Automation.